Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate the Brat format for any text you have. So you're just going to type Brat in Google, and if you scroll down, there is this bratgenerator.com where you can select this website, and then you can choose from 5 formats, I guess. So there is this one, there's this one, there is this one, and there is, I don't know what this is. But this is the one that people use to change the text. You're just going to remove the text here, and you're just going to type in the text you want to type in. Welcome back to this channel. Hey. Well, I say hey guys, so I'm gonna just... There, that is how you can generate text into this Brat format. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you want to save this thing, just take a screenshot of it because it says just take a screenshot to save. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Whoops.